Isn't it beautiful, Candice? Yeah, it is. It's been a while also we didn't chill like this. I miss that moment. How's your life, by the way? My life is wonderful. I get a job and I feel like I'm a mom again. What about you? Are you living in Russia?
Hey, Bobby, you wanna go for a ride? Jump
Yeehaw!
in.
Look at me now, Candice!
What up, for berries? Besides to killing all the cuties of berries, why don't we make something useful and making a new life with this bottle? Hey everyone, Jeff's here again, and today we are gonna make DIY again. It's time for simple terrarium. So, what is terrarium? Okay, for you guys who don't know about terrarium, according on the internet, terrarium is usually a sea level glass container which is containing soil and plants, and it can be opened for maintenance to access the plants inside. It also can use for decorative or ornament in a room. Okay, so to make terrarium is super easy. You only need jar, not you JJJJ. Oh, smooth. Thank you JJJJ. A normal jar or a fancy jar is okay to use it, and then add the sand for the first layer, and next layer adding the rock from the movie of Beggars, and the third layer is adding active charcoal, then sphagnum moss for the next layer, and then soil, and finally adding the plant, and the last one is ornament to make the terrarium look catchy. But on this video I'm gonna show you how to make terrarium in simple way. So we only need bottles, sand, little rocks, active charcoal, soil or compost, gravel, ornament, and the last one is the plant. And also we need the tools. I will use the tweezers, stick or chopstick because I'm Asian, can live without it though, spoon, funnel, and the hammer. So first thing to do is we have to clean up the bottle, remove the brand paper on the bottle. You can use the water and also the spoon to helping you to remove it clearly, and then dry it with the tissue paper and let it dry for a while. When it's definitely dry, you can bring it to another step. Okay, for the another step, we are gonna smash the active charcoal first, so it will be easy to put it in the bottle. Use the plastic bag and hammer, and watch your finger.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Are you ready for this?
Hell no, to the no, no, no.
I need a doctor to bring me back to life.
Mommy! The charcoal is ready, and we put the sand on the bottom first. Use the spoon and the funnel, and then add the rock for the next layer. For the third layer, adding the active charcoal and soil for sure. And use the stick to make the soil looks neat like this. Then adding the plant. And then the last one is adding the gravel and ornament as the accessories. Voila, we made it! See, it's easy, and you can put it at your room to make your room look green, and also it can produce fresh air. Well, we make a new life right now. And you should not give them water too much. Maybe every 5 days you can watering them, or just make sure when the soil looks dry you can get them wet. What? Oh yeah, this is Groot. I planted Groot also. Oh, you thirsty Groot? How's that? I'm Groot too. So here's the 1 week update of my terrariums. They look healthy, and I only have 2 terrariums actually, because the third one is dead. Yeah, I also feel sorry about it. Oh, you guys asked about the Groot? He's busy flirting with berries. Okay guys, before you check my Groot, I just wanna say thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And see you at the next video. Dreaming and Haida. Hit it, Groot!